have for you is a collection of tools that is based on science, proven to work for the thousands of people that we've delivered this to, and it allows you to be productive within your brain. In other words, take this time to go inward and really become more powerful internally, and then when it's go time again, when the world starts back up, we can really embrace it with a different mindset. And so that's why the title of this is The Brain Science of Hope, Becoming Joyful and Adaptable in an Uncertain World, or Practical Brain Hacks to Reduce Stress, because most of us are really affected by this time with anxiety, with stress, with concern about the future. And so step one is using these brain hacks to be able to stabilize your brain. But step two then is to take a brain that's more stable and strong and get out there, and now rather than the chaos causing us to be destabilized, go into the chaos of uncertainty and unknown future and use it as a creative platform. There was already a psychological crisis before the pandemic hit, and now it's just gasoline on the fire, unfortunately. And so in the United States, for example, there has been record rise in opioid or drug overdose related deaths. I work in an inner city hospital. We were already in a war before this pandemic came along. And so if you're feeling anxiety and stress, believe me, I understand how you're feeling. We are all dealing with this struggle. Something that we're going to share with you is that you have something called lower brain, a lower brain that has about 5 components, battling with something we call higher brain, which has about 5 components. These are literally battling with each other, and these are discoveries that we've made just in the last 10 years. The structure that we use is session 1, and our program is typically 15 hours. Spend the first third of the session focused on tools to be able to cool down or shut off your lower brain. And then session 2 is you can build conscious and unconscious barriers that prevent the world from triggering your lower brain, and you can directly increase higher brain activation, which is amazing. And then you can structure fearlessness into your life as an individual, as a team. We know you are infinitely capable of shaping your brain. You must do it because this world is destabilizing you, activating your lower brain. If you don't do something about it, lower brain is going to destroy your brain and body and your relationships and your opportunity. But if you stabilize your brain and shut off the lower brain, now you can actually take advantage of this crazy world that's changing so quickly, because in the midst of chaos is also a lot of opportunity to connect new dots and bring innovation into this world and create new wonderful things. And that's what I think everyone is capable of doing, and we need to help each other do this in order to have a better world. So thank you and best of luck to you.